Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to the Womanpreneur Blueprint, the podcast where we keep it real about business, freedom, and designing a life on your terms. I am your host, Lori Robertson, and today we're diving into a topic that every single one of us has faced at some point. That's how to stay motivated when you're feeling overwhelmed. Because let's be real. Life happens. Business gets crazy. The kids need you. The laundry is piling up. And that to do list, wow, it just keeps growing. I know you know exactly what I'm talking about. But listen, sis, I got you. And I know exactly how you feel because I've been there myself. So let me tell you a quick story. A while back, I was in the thick of it. I was stressed, overwhelmed, and seriously considering throwing in the towel. My motivation was gone, and I felt like I was spinning my wheels with no real progress. I questioned everything. Was I really cut out for this? Would I ever reach my goals? Or was I just chasing a dream that wasn't meant for me? But then something shifted. I stumbled upon 5 key lessons that changed everything for me: my mindset, my business, and my ability to push forward no matter what. And today, I want to share them with you because if they work for me, I know that they can work for you too. So, sis, grab your coffee, tea, or let's be honest, maybe a little hot chocolate, and let's get into it. Whew. Well, let's get started. Step one, give yourself permission to pause. First things first, let's stop pretending we have to be superwoman 24/7. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to take a step back. Breathe, take a walk, do a little dance break. Yes, I am totally serious. Dance around your house. Go outside and dance in the sun. Take your shoes off. Well, not now because it's a little chilly outside, but when it gets warmer, go outside with no shoes on and dance in the grass. Just shake that stress off. Overwhelm thrives when we try to push through without rest. Sometimes stepping away for a moment is the best way to come back stronger. Take a nap, even. Do some meditation, whatever you need to do to pause for a little bit, take a breath, and just reset. Okay? Step number two, get back to your why. And I've said this before in previous episodes, and I'm probably going to say this a lot. You're going to hear me saying, get back to your why. Why did you start this? All right, Queen, I want you to get real, right? Why did you start this journey in the first place? Was it to have financial freedom? Was it to spend more time with your family? To escape that soul sucking 9 to 5? Whatever your why is, I want you to take out a piece of paper and write it down now and keep it visible. When overwhelm creeps in, remind yourself of the bigger picture. And I suggest maybe you take and put your why on your desktop, put it on your computer, put it on your mirror in your house, put it around anywhere so that you can remind yourself on a daily basis why you are doing this in the first place. Step three, break it down into small wins because small wins matter. Overwhelm often happens when we try to tackle everything at once. So we're going to change that, okay? Instead of looking at the massive to-do list, pick just one thing you can accomplish right now. Small wins lead to big momentum, and before you know it, you're back in the game. So let me share this with you. And I know I've said this to you before, but there is an app that I use called an letsgoal app. And again, I'll put the app information down in the show notes. But that's a way that you can actually, you know, get a system set up so that you can tackle those tasks one at a time and just check it off and just check it off so that you can accomplish what you need to accomplish every day without feeling the overwhelm. Now, step number 4, connect with your support system. Listen, if you are not if you are not, you are not meant to do this alone. Whether it's a biz bestie, a mentor, or an online community, hey, come out and hang with me if you want to, right? Find your people, find your tribe. Let them uplift you, remind you of your power, and give you that push when you need it. Because, girl, we all need that sometimes. And if you cannot find that, or you don't already have it, go out and find it. Like I said, come hang with me because I will support you every step of the way. Because, like I said, we all need this sometimes, and some of us need it more than others. You may need a support group if you have little kids running around. You may have a mom support group. You may have a support group that you just need some type of mental support. Whatever it is, get yourself a support system. It's so, so crucial. And step number 5, take imperfect action. Done is better than perfect. And I've said this before as well. Here's a little tough love for you. Perfection is a trap. Definitely. So if you're waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect mindset, or the perfect plan, you'll be waiting forever. Trust me. The secret, just start. That's it. Just start. There's nothing else to it. Even if it's messy, even if it's scary, action creates clarity, and the clarity kills overwhelm. I know I said a lot, right? Whew, I hope you're feeling recharged, and I hope you're ready to tackle whatever is in front of you based on these 5 steps I've given you. So let me recap this really quickly for you, okay? Because I want you to remember, overwhelm is temporary, but your dreams, they are worth it, okay? So let me go back and recap these steps for you one more time. Step number 1, give yourself permission to pause. Step number 2, get back to your why. Step number 3, break it down. Small wins matter. Step number 4, connect with your support system. If you don't have one, go create one. Step 5, take imperfect action. Done is better than perfect any day of the week. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to tell me what's one thing you're going to do today to break through the overwhelm if you're feeling overwhelmed. If not, you still can write down or let me know if overwhelm comes across you again. What one step can you use to break through that? Now, this is what I want you to do also. I want you to leave me a comment below. And if you're watching it on YouTube, if you're watching it on Spotify, if you're watching on Amazon, wherever it is that you're watching this, I want you to leave me a comment. And I'm also leaving you my social media handles down there. So, reach out to me on Facebook, reach out to me on Instagram, or wherever it is that you're most comfortable with. And let me know what you're going to do. I want you to leave me a review and rate this episode because it helps push it out to other people so that they can get this information as well. And if this episode spoke to you, I want you to share it with another queen who needs this reminder today. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. And again, you can also leave me a review and rate the episode. Please, please, please leave me a review. I would love it. Until next time, I want you to keep pushing forward. I want you to stay bold and always, always believe in yourself because I believe in you. You've got this, love. So until the next episode, bye for now.